This video will show you how to pass an argument to a method. Navigate to week 7 and begin by downloading the starting project file, which you save and unzip as usual, and then open the solution inside of it. Ignore the message, the warning message, and open the form where you will see that we have 3 cards and a list box and a couple of buttons that are already created for you. We're going to begin by just double clicking the show card button, and we're going to scroll up a little bit, and we're going to begin by writing our methods. The first method that I'm going to write is the one that is going to show the cards. So it is going to be called show king clubs, and in it what we're going to do is we're going to change the visibility of our picture boxes so that only the club, the king clubs, is visible. The other two are invisible. The other method that I'm going to write is going to be to show the 10 hearts, which is going to be similar to my king clubs method, in that we're going to change the visibility so that only 10 hearts picture box is visible. And then I'm going to write another method, which is going to be for my show ace spades, which is going to show the visibility of only the ace spades picture box as visible, and the other two are not visible. So that's how this one is going to work. The next thing that I'm going to do is write another method, a fourth method, which is going to be used to change or select which one of these 3 methods that I just wrote are going to be called. So the purpose of this method is to really select which one of the other ones is going to be called and display the correct card. So the method takes one parameter, a string parameter card, and what we're going to do is we're going to check to see what is the value of that card. If the value of that card is ace of spades, then we're going to show the ace of spades. Otherwise, if the value of that card string is 10 of hearts, then we're going to show 10 hearts. And otherwise, if the value is king of clubs, we're going to show the king of clubs. So that's how this one is going to work. And now the only other thing that's remaining is where we're going to send this value from. Well, this value for the show card method is going to be sent from the button that shows the card. So the button that shows the card itself is going to, first we need to check to see which of the list boxes were selected, which item in the list box was selected. So we're going to see if it's not -1, which means that it's not. It has been selected. If it's equal to -1, that means it hasn't been selected. So if it's not equal to -1, then what we're going to do is we're going to call the show card method, and what we're going to do is we're going to send the item that was selected from the list box converted to string. So we're going to send one of these strings here as my argument. So this whole thing here, this one piece, is the argument that we're sending into the show card method, which in turn is going to be my string card, and we're going to detect what's the value of that, and then based on that we're going to call the appropriate method. The only thing left is a message if my list box hasn't been selected. If we have not selected anything from the list box, then we're just going to show a message to the user that they have not selected anything. And that is pretty much, in a nutshell, that whole program. Let's test. So initially nothing is selected. I'm going to click show card, and it tells me that I haven't selected anything. And then I'm going to click ace of spades, show card, 10 of hearts, show card, king of clubs, show card. So this is how you pass an argument in a method.